All right, ignore the calculator, folks. I'm right about to start class. So I need you to download Microsoft Excel. I'm going to try to give you the easiest path. There's a video in there now that kind of sucks and is bad. So don't do that. You won't do it because I'm going to remove it and replace it with this. But if you follow the other one, yeah, it's not good. All right, so go to My Charger. You're going to hit Students. You're going to go to this IT Help Desk. This, to me, is the fastest way to get there, but I don't know. Maybe you know a better way. I'm going to scroll down or up, however you say it, and I'm going to go right here with this Microsoft 365. And then you're going to download Microsoft 365 for your appropriate platform. Download should start. And so my download started. You can see it right there. Now, I'm going to stop this because I don't need to download it a fourth time or fifth time or whatever the hell. See, it's already there. Install this package. It's going to install the whole Office suite, but I'm mainly interested in you installing Microsoft Excel. So if you can select and just install that one and that's all you want, that's perfectly fine. I don't really care about anything else. You may already have it installed because you have it installed for Word, but the problem is the web-based Microsoft Excel is not the same as the platform installed Microsoft Excel. They're just not the same. Whether we would encounter any issues with our spreadsheet or not, I don't know. I'm not testing it. I didn't make the spreadsheet, but I'm trying to avoid future problems. So download and install Microsoft 365. If you're waiting for that, hit pause. Now hopefully we've completed that. We're going to go into My Open Math. And that's the wrong course, but that's okay. I'm going to pop this open. You're going to go to your class, whether it's 1107, 1108, or 1108. It does not matter. They all have this same block. So I'm just going to go to the first one. This is where the video exists. This is the crappy one because I'm making the good one right now. But you're going to scoot down to your appropriate Unit 4 in your, I can't read it. Oh my goodness, who put black text on dark purple? I think it's this. This is the 4th unit, money management. There's a bunch of errata in the front, but you want to go to, oh, it's different in this one. Yeah, it's a little different. In 1108, I'll show you it's different. It doesn't say personal finance. I think it says money management. This is the spreadsheet you want to download. I would click right here, but notice that it's going to open it directly into the web version of Microsoft Excel. This is what we want to avoid. So the first thing you do once you download it, or excuse me, once you open it up and it opens up in a new tab, is to go File. It should be Download, create a copy, download a copy. So this is actually downloading the Microsoft Excel file right there. It's downloaded, it appears. Oh, it's not going to let me do it, right? Yeah, I guess it's done. And then open it up. It's right there. When you open it up, it will open up in Microsoft Excel automatically. If you want to clean this up a bit, tab it so you see all 6 tabs. And then this is the first stuff that we're going to do, simple interest. That's it. Thanks for paying attention.